Hi, I'm Scott. One of the things that we get a lot of calls on is roof repairs. People have individual tabs that have blown off on their roof for one reason or another. And this is something that's very easy for a homeowner to take care of themselves. So what we want to do is show you how this repair is done. It doesn't take very long. It's a very quick, simple repair. So this tab here you see is blown off of the roof. So the first tool that we use is a flat bar. Pry bar, some people call it. I've been called a Wonder bar, Stanley bar. Blue bar is what I grew up with, actually. So we take this bar, slide it up under the shingle above, and break the seal on the shingles. So we do that on both. There's two shingles overlapping this broken tab. So we do that, and then there's a nail that catches this tab up here at the top of this shingle, so we have to lift up one more tab. Okay? So then we're going to come under this tab, and we're going to remove the nail that's up at the top of the shingle. Each tab on a roof has three shingles in it, one on the left side, one on the right side, and one up high under the shingle above it. So we've lifted this up, pull that nail, pull the third nail. So now all of the nails are out. So now each shingle, a shingle has three tabs on it, and we're just going to replace one of the three tabs. So I'm going to take a knife which has a hook blade on the end of it so I can cut down through the face of the shingle. And this is preparing the replacement shingle. Cut each side in at a little bit of an angle, makes it easier to slide in and does not compromise the waterproofness of the installation. Then what I need to do is cut this shingle here is three tabs as well, and so I need the one that I'm going to pull out, I need to cut it loose from the other two. So we're going to reach up underneath here with the flat bar, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the flat bar up between the piece that we're cutting out and the new piece and make a cut with this bar. So there is the tab that was broken off and the part that's up underneath, tucked up underneath. Okay, so the hole is ready to accept the new shingle, which I've already prepared. I'm going to slide it up underneath. The tar paper is still in place from before, so we don't have to worry about the tar paper. And then we have to nail the shingle back in place. Now, the tab that was on the full shingle next to it doesn't have a nail holding it in place because we tore it out. So what we do is we put one nail in the old shingle, one nail in the new shingle. Again, make sure everything's lined up nicely. This one has a nail because it's a different shingle. Lift up and replace this nail that we removed up here. I generally put two back in up here. Just a little bit of overkill. Okay, so the shingle tab is now completely replaced. The reason that we're able to put a 2-year warranty on a repair like this is because we use a sealant. What I have here is DAP 3.0. It's the best sealant that I've been able to find so far. And so each shingle has a tar strip on it. When this heats up in the sun, this tar strip melts and the shingle above it gets sealed into this tar strip. On the new shingle, the tar strip is in good shape, and as soon as this gets hot, the old shingles are going to seal to the new shingle very well. But this new shingle will never reseal to this old shingle here. So anywhere that we've got new shingle sitting on old shingle, or old shingle sitting on old shingle, we're going to put sealant under there to make sure that this doesn't ever blow off. And I usually put 3 dots of sealant under each spot, under each tab. I even actually put it on the new shingle just in case there's any wind between now and the time it gets hot. We're at the tail end of the summer here, and so it might take a couple of weeks for this to get hot and to seal down. So we might as well seal it down so we don't get a call back. So that's everything there is to know about replacing the shingle tab that's blown off your roof. If you'd like to, it's a pretty simple task for you to do by yourself. If you're not comfortable with it, feel free to give us a call. We'll come out and we'll do this for you. Thank you.